In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of downloading Minecraft on your iPhone, a straightforward procedure applicable to various iOS devices. Whether you're eager to enjoy Minecraft with friends or simply seeking a fun game for your phone, I'll demonstrate exactly how to obtain it hassle-free. To begin, navigate to the App Store on your iPhone, which serves as the gateway to accessing and downloading apps. Once in the App Store, proceed to the search bar, where you'll initiate the search for Minecraft. Upon typing Minecraft into the search bar, the app should appear in the search results. Simply locate the Minecraft app and proceed with the purchase. The cost may vary depending on your country, but in the United States, it typically costs $6.99. After selecting the app and completing the purchase, it will automatically begin downloading to your device. Due to its size, approximately 1 GB, the download process may take some time. However, once the download is complete, you'll be able to enjoy Minecraft on your iPhone like any other app. It's as simple as that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more content, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below. I'll do my best to address them. Until next time.